Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Cleo to Cash App in 2025. Whether you're budgeting with Cleo and need quick access to your funds on Cash App, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. With the latest updates in 2025, the process is faster and more secure than ever before. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more finance tips. First off, ensure you have both the Cleo app and Cash App installed on your device and that your accounts are set up. Start by opening the Cleo app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Transfer section. It's usually front and center on the home screen. Next, select the option to transfer or withdraw funds. You'll see a list of connected accounts, so choose Cash App from the drop-down or search for it if it's not linked yet. If it's your first time, you might need to authorize the connection, which involves entering your Cash App details or verifying via email. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Remember, some transfers might have fees, so keep an eye on that in the app. After confirming the amount, you'll be prompted to authenticate the transaction. This could be with a PIN, fingerprint, or even a one-time code sent to your phone for added security. Once you've verified, hit the Confirm button, and voila, the transfer is initiated. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, most transfers happen almost instantly. Head over to your Cash App to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip: always check for any minimum transfer limits or fees in the Cleo app to avoid surprises. And if you run into any issues, both apps have helpful support chatbots. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have more finance questions. See you in the next video.